In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent the tailored for you likes notification on x.com, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you want to reduce unnecessary alerts and take back control of your notifications, this is the setting you need to change. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com and log into your account. Once you're on the platform, look at the left-hand navigation bar. If you don't immediately see the full menu, click on More. This will expand the additional settings options inside your account. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. This is where x.com keeps all of your account controls, privacy options, and notification settings. After that, click Notifications. This section manages the alerts you receive from the platform, including activity updates, engagement notifications, and personalization options. Next, click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll find different ways to customize how notifications are delivered to you. Now click Push Notifications. This is the area that controls alerts sent directly to your device, so it's the right place to adjust what you do and don't want to see. Once you're in Push Notifications, scroll until you find the Likes section. Under that section, you should see the option labeled Tailored for you. Simply toggle that off. Turning this off will stop x.com from showing you personalized like notifications that are selected based on your activity and interests. And that's it. The setting is now turned off, and you should no longer receive tailored for you notifications under likes. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make your notification feed much cleaner and easier to manage. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.